Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I will show you this pink brown date night look in this tutorial, and I will start with my MAC Cosmetics paint pot in the shade Soft Ochre, and I will apply this with my Zoeva 142 brush. And I will mattify my eye with my Catrice mattifying powder in the shade Translucent. And I will apply this powder with my Essence blending brush. I will use the Juvias Plates, the Magic palette in this tutorial, and the first shade I will take is Osun. And I will apply this with my fingers for a better result, and I will apply the shimmery shade above my natural crease. The next shade is this darker pink shade, and I will apply this also with my fingers, and I will blend them together. I'm going in with the shade Nana to warm up my crease. And the next shade is this brown reddish shade, and I will apply this shade a little bit lower than I did with Nana. And blend everything together with the shade Nana and the Zoeva 228 brush. And now I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and the color I will take is Cyprus Umber. I'm gonna focus on the outer V of my eye with this color. And I will blend everything together with the shade Nana and the Zoeva fluffy brush, and I will apply my lashes out front of camera. And I'm going in with the shade Zakiya to make the lower lash line a little bit darker. And I'm gonna smudge it out with the shade Cyprus Umber. And I will blend the shades together, and I will apply mascara on my lashes and my bottom lashes. I will apply the H&M eye pencil in my waterline, and the shade is Pale Nude. And I will highlight my inner corner and my brow bone with the shade Vermeer from the Modern Renaissance palette. And this is the end of the video. I really hope you like how it came out. I love the result, it's perfect for a date night, and you can also apply eyeliner if you liked it. So give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and I hope to see you by my next video. Bye guys!